The new protective leather boots from Universal, powered by McCulloch, will make your outdoor work safer and comfortable. They're designed to be tough and durable, with textile reinforcement at the front and a strong sole with high reinforced front and back. The boots are designed for safety. It has built-in chainsaw protection, which is essential for all work with chainsaws. In this simulation of a possible accident, the boots provide Class 1 protection to the user. And now a work boot without saw protection. Not effective. It's equipped with a non-slip sole, stable ankle support, and a steel toe cap. The boots are designed for comfort, with a comfortable padding inside, and they'll keep your feet dry. A breathable lining lets body moisture out when working hard, and water-repellent leather will prevent water getting in. Boots from Universal, powered by McCulloch, are functional, well-designed boots that offer both protection and comfort.